Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing the unit number, that is the unit number 6 of your GK, and we have already done some of the topics, and today we are going to do some of more topics of our GK syllabus. So the next topic from our GK syllabus is puppetry in India, that is given at page number 62. So class, kindly open your books at page number 62, that is puppetry in India. Okay, the topic is puppetry, Puppetry, puppetry in India. This is the topic that is given at page number 62. So class, kindly open your books at this page number. So today in our class we are going to discuss about the various puppet show that is being performed by the various artists in our India. Okay, तो हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे puppet show हैं जो कि जिनके अलग अलग नाम हैं and their form of their puppet dance or their puppet show is very different. Okay, so most of the states have their own system or of their own style of puppet shows for which they have gained so much popularity all around the world, not only in India only. Okay, so बहुत सारे puppet shows हैं, हो सकता है कुछ आपने टीवी में भी देखे हो, maybe you have seen live also. Okay, so these puppet show, what is it? Puppet show क्या होते हैं बेटा? इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें एक okay, so in every puppet show is having a different kind of puppets. Okay, so some are made of the cotton, so some of them made of the cloth. Okay, some are made of the wood, some are made of different fibers, and so every state has its own style of puppet shows. Okay, and this puppet is one of the oldest tradition in India. Earlier, when there were no televisions or mobile phones were there, so people used to watch these puppet show to entertain themselves. तो अपने आप उस टाइम पे एंटरटेनमेंट का साधन क्या था? वन ऑफ द ये नॉट द रीजन एक्चुअली, मतलब एक तरीका था. दिस इज हाउ दे जस्ट enjoy themselves, they just participate in the various social activities. Okay, so the puppet is one of them, so people love to watch the puppet shows. Some are the मतलब ये puppet shows में क्या होता है, story भी होती है. Some puppet shows they show the story. Okay, they show the story of different अलग अलग जगह की stories of different regions they show. Okay, some puppet show they just dance on the music. Okay, so some are the comic ones also. So there are the different popular puppet shows that are being found. Okay, so इस puppets में बहुत सारी चीज़ें यूज होती है puppet को बनाने के लिए, like cotton, cloth, strings, rods, okay, wooden plates. So all these things were used by the different puppets on us to make such a puppet, so that it can make them like that they look lively. तो उनको lively बनाने के लिए they just need lots of material so that they can perform the puppet show properly. So in this topic we are going to discuss one of them. Okay, so you have already made some of the puppets. आपको मैंने holidays homework में दिया, sorry, for the half yearly project I have given you this puppet, and some of the students they have sent me the photographs as well, and they are the beautiful ones. Okay, so let's start with the first topic. Puppetry has an old tradition in India. There are 4 major types of puppetry: string, shadow, rod, and glove. Let's explore some traditional forms of puppetry practiced in India. तो देखिए जो puppet हैं, these are the one of the oldest entertainment sources of our Indian tradition. Okay, तो इधर there are majorly there are 4 types of puppets होते हैं. There are majorly 4 types of puppets are there. The first one is the string, second is shadow, थर्ड इज रॉड एंड द फोर्थ इज द ग्लव. ओके, स्ट्रिंग्स की हेल्प से आपने देखा होगा जिसमें पतली पतली तारे उसमें अटैच करके पपेट में, उसकी हेल्प से दे जस्ट मूव देम. और उनकी जो बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं, उनके अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स पे उन्होंने वो स्ट्रिंग्स बांधी होती है, सो दे कैन जस्ट मूव दोज पपेट्स. सेकेंड इज द शेडो. तो आपने देखा होगा शेडो, ठीक है, एक लाइट ली जाती है उसको पर्दे के पीछे. ओके, एंड उसके पीछे से जो पूरा पपेट शो परफॉर्म करते हैं, वो एक शेडो के साथ वो पपेट शो दिखाया जाता है कि मतलब जिसमें पूरी स्टोरी जो या जो सॉन्ग या डांस वट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लेन, दे जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इट विद द शेडो, इन द शेडो ओनली. ठीक है, लाइट के पीछे वो सारी परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं. और लाइट की देखिए, दिस इज द लाइट, इसके आगे व्हाइट कलर का कर्टेन होगा. ओके, और उसके पीछे वो परफॉर्म करेंगे. सो उसके सॉरी, उधर पीछे से लाइट आएगी और यहाँ पे जैसे कि अभी आप देख सकते हो यहाँ से पीछे से लाइट आ रही है. ओके, सो जो भी कुछ होगा, देखिए मैं अभी आपको पापेट शो का एक, देखिए हमारे पास एक लाइव एग्जांपल आ गई. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द पापेट शोज, मतलब नॉट, दिस इज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ अ शो, शेडो पापेट्री. ओके, आई हैव जस्ट, ओके, सो यू कैन सी दिस. ओके, इट्स लुक लाइक जस्ट एनिमल, जैसे दैट इज ओपनिंग देयर माउथ. ओके, so different kinds of these kinds of activities are shown in the puppet show. So we have this lively live, it is, I'm just giving you an example from this. Second one, third one is the rod. So rods क्या होती है, they just tie rods to the puppets and they are the stable ones, and then they perform the various acts by moving those rods. The last one is the gloves. तो gloves में क्या होता है, they just wear the gloves and every finger have a puppet on it. छोटे छोटे puppets होते हैं and they just talk. Okay, and some आपने देखा होगा जैसे जो laughter shows आते हैं उसमें भी यूज होते हैं. So one of the laughter show participant, he just carry a monkey along with it and उसके मुंह, उस monkey में उनका जो अपना fingers है उसमें डालते हैं and वो अपने गले से भी आवाज निकालते हैं. So एक तो नॉर्मल जो आवाज है उनकी वो है, अदर देन दैट दे आर हैविंग द अनदर वॉइस जो कि उनके कहते हैं ना गले से पेट से आवाज निकालते हैं. ओके, सो जिसकी वजह से वो दो लैंग्वेजेस एक ही पर्सन बोलता है. दे जस्ट नीड अ ग्रेट टैलेंट टू डू दीज काइंड्स ऑफ पपेट शो. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट पपेट शो, दैट इज यामपुरी. द फर्स्ट पपेट शो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट, दैट इज यामपुरी. So what is this Yampuri and from where or which state it has been originated? This is the name of the traditional rod puppets from Bihar. They are made of wood. These puppets are in one piece and have no joints, so require high skill to move them. So Yampuri is one of the ट्रेडिशनल रॉड पपेट्स. तो ये रॉड्स की हेल्प से इन पपेट्स को मूव किया जाता है, जो कि क्योंकि इनकी जो सारे पार्ट्स है, एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी दे कांट मूव. सो आपने फाल्गुनी पाठक का अगर कोई सॉन्ग सुना एक कुछ चूनर उड़ उड़ जाए, तो उसमें देखिए आप देखिएगा कि उसमें दे जस्ट यूज द रॉड पपेट. उसमें वो रॉड के ऊपर दे जस्ट टाई अ रॉड. ओके, उसमें उन्होंने 2-3 तरह का पपेट शो दिखाया है. एक तो उसमें स्ट्रिंग वाला भी यूज किया एंड रॉड वाला भी. स्ट्रिंग वाले में क्या होता है कि चलिए स्ट्रिंग के बारे में हम बाद में करेंगे. रॉड में क्या होता है, सो दे जस्ट टाई द वेरियस पपेट्स ऑन अ रॉड एंड उस रॉड की हेल्प से वो उस पपेट को ऊपर नीचे मूव करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज Yampuri is one of the traditional rod puppet from Bihar. So Yampuri is famous puppet show from the Bihar. Okay, these puppets are in one piece and have no joints. ये एक ही पीस में होते हैं. So these puppets have only, these are in one piece and इनके को अंदर कोई भी joints नहीं होता. So that means they are stick, मतलब एकदम सीधे एकदम स्टेबल होते हैं. उनकी बॉडी में कहीं भी ज्वाइंट नहीं वो बनाते हैं. ओके, एंड सो रिक्वायर हाई स्किल टू मूव दैम. तो इसलिए उनको मूव करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी स्किल्स चाहिए. ओके, सो इन स्पाइट ऑफ मेकिंग अ पपेट, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द पपेट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट रिक्वायर्स अ लार्ज, मतलब हायर स्किल. एक पपेट को मूव करने के लिए बेटा बहुत ही हाई स्किल चाहिए होती है, चाहे वो किसी भी टाइप का पपेट शो, वेदर इट इज स्ट्रिंग, वेदर इट्स रॉड, वेदर इट्स gloves or whether it's shadow, whatever it is, but every puppet needs to be the presenter of the puppet show needs to be very highly efficient in his work. Okay, suppose क्योंकि देखिए उन्होंने एक इंसान से काम करवाना is very easy, from human being you can expect, but एक नॉन लिविंग थिंग को आप एक लिविंग थिंग की तरह रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो and you have to make your every move very properly, that the concept that you want to tell or the story that you want to tell should be clear. Okay, so it requires lots of high skill to perform such puppet show. So Yampuri is one of the oldest traditional rod puppetry in India, and it is the origin of Bihar. Okay, and these rod puppets, these are in one piece, so they just require very high skill to move these puppets. So this was the puppet from Bihar. The name of this puppet show is Yampuri. Second is Putul Nach. The second is Putul Nach. Okay. The second is Putul Nach. Okay. So now what is in Putul? So what is in Putul Nach? This form of puppetry comes from West Bengal. So this puppetry comes from the West Bengal. The puppets, usually about 1 meter in height, are tied to the waist of the puppeteer with a bamboo rod. The puppeteers, hiding behind a full-length curtain, move in the same way they want the puppet to move while they sing and deliver dialogues. Okay. So now the next जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is the Putul Nach. The second the puppet show or puppetry that we are talking about is Putul Nach, and it is the origin of West Bengal. And this puppet show was commonly performed because nowadays the puppet show is not that much popular. Okay, so earlier it was the origin of West Bengal. So the people in the West Bengal, they watch this puppet show. Okay, and the name of this puppetry is Putul Nach. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Putul Nach. So what they do is, the puppets usually about 1 meter in height. जो ये puppets होते हैं, ये near about 1 meter की height. So they are near about 1 meter in height. उनकी height near about 1 meter होती है. So they are quite long. Okay, and tied to the waist of the puppeteer. और जो puppeteer means the person who moves those puppets. जो puppets को move करते हैं, they are known as the puppeteer with a bamboo rod. So what a puppeteer do? He just tie that puppet, okay, which is about 1 meter in height, with his waist and with a bamboo rod. Okay, तो एक bamboo की rod के help से तो वो क्या करते हैं, उस puppet को अपने कमर से बांध लेते हैं, and they just hide themselves behind a long curtain, and same way they want the and they just make the move. Okay, so they just hide themselves behind वो अपने आप को एक लॉन्ग कर्टेन के पीछे छुपा लेते हैं, और उनका वेस्ट है, जो उनका पेट है, उसके साथ, सॉरी, जो पेट नॉट कमर, वेस्ट इज कमर, तो वो अपनी कमर के साथ उस पपेट्स को बांध लेते हैं, और वो खुद अपने आप को एक लंबा कर्टेन होता है उसके पीछे छुपा लेते हैं. ओके, एंड उसी के अकॉर्डिंग दे जस्ट मेक द मूवमेंट, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट दे जस्ट मेक द मूवमेंट्स जैसे कि वो चाहते हैं कि वो पपेट है वो मूव करे. सो जस्ट इन द सेम वे दे ऑल्सो मेक द मूवमेंट्स. ओके, while they sing and deliver the dialogues, and along with movement they also make the various dialogues. So they also deliver same various dialogues, whatever they are going to explain through the story. And other than that they sing also. तो वो अपने उसी कर्टेन के पीछे रहते हुए वो मूवमेंट भी करते हैं. They just move themselves so that their puppets can also move along with them. And second thing, they also sing. Okay, वो गाना भी गाते हैं, and they just deliver the dialogues as well. So this is the second puppeteer, the puppet we talked about, that is Putul Nach, and it is the origin of West Bengal. ये कहाँ का origin है? This Putul Nach is the origin of West Bengal, and the puppets are near about 1 meter in height, and the puppeteers, they just tie these puppets with their waist, okay, with a bamboo rod. तो bamboo rod की हेल्प से वो अपनी waist के साथ इन puppets को बांध लेते हैं, and they just hide themselves behind a long curtain. तो एक लंबे से कर्टेन के पीछे, लंबे से पर्दे के पीछे वो अपने आप को छुपा लेते हैं, and with that दे मेक द मूवमेंट, उसी के साथ वो जो है मूवमेंट्स करते हैं, दैट दे वांट दैट पापेट शुड मूव, उसी हिसाब से जैसे कि वो चाहते हैं कि पापेट्स मूव करें, तो दे जस्ट मूव देमसेल्फ, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट दे ऑल्सो डिलीवर द डायलॉग्स एंड दे ऑल्सो सिंग. Okay, so that was the second one. Now moving to the next, the third one, that is Kundei. That is the Kundei. That is the third one. The third puppetry that we are talking about is that is Kundei. Kundhei. That is Kundei. Kundei. This form of puppetry has its roots in Odisha. Okay, these puppets have no legs and wear long flowing skirts. The puppets have multiple joints which make them easy to move in the different ways. So the next puppetry that we are talking about, that is Kundei, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is Kundehi. So what is Kundehi? This Kundehi puppetry is the origin of Odisha. So ये जो कुंदेही है ये कहाँ का ओरिजिन है? दिस कुंदेही इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ ओडिशा, एंड दिस पपेट्स हैव नो लेग्स एंड वियर लॉन्ग फ्लोइंग स्कर्ट्स. तो जो ये पपेट्स होते हैं दे डोंट हैव लेग्स, सो टू जस्ट शो दैट दे आर हैविंग द लेग्स दे जस्ट वियर अ वेरी लॉन्ग स्कर्ट. ओके, एंड इट इज एज्यूम दैट जो स्कर्ट्स के नीचे उनकी लेग्स हैं, बट दे एक्चुअली दे डोंट हैव लेग्स. ओके, सो अप टू देयर वेस्ट they are in the proper human body shape, and below that they just wear a long skirt. Okay, and the puppet has multiple joints which make them easy to move in the different ways. And this Kundehi puppetry has lots of joints, different joints on the different parts of their body, and so that they can move their body, so that they can move the each and every part of their body easily. तो ठीक है, सो जो पपेटियर्स होते हैं, सो दे जस्ट मेक वेरियस जॉइंट्स ऑन दीज पपेट्री सो दैट दे कैन मूव द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट पपेट according to the need of the story, according to the need of the explanation. Okay, so the next puppetry is that is Kundehi. So Kundehi is the origin of Odisha. It is one of the traditional puppetry in India. Okay, and this Kundehi puppetry doesn't have legs. Okay, they are up to the waist only, and below their waist they just wear a very long skirts. Okay, and they have multiple joints on their in these puppetries they have multiple joints. So ये puppetries होती हैं, they have multiple joints on their body, so that the puppeteer, the person who moves the puppet, जो puppet को move करवाते हैं, that person is known as the puppeteer, so that the puppeteer can move the each and every part of that particular puppet. Okay, now, and as there are different joints, so there are multiple joints on the body of these puppets, so they also need a very high skill to move each and every part of their body, and along with that they need a very quick or very they just need a very great coordination. Okay, so they just need a very great coordination, so that according to the story, or according to the whatever the explanation is going on along with the puppet show, so that they can move the body according to the requirement. जैसे कि requirement है उसी according उनके body की जो movement करवानी है वो करवा सके. So for performing those kind of difficult puppetry or the puppet show, the higher skill puppeteers are required. And you know, so most of the puppet shows they are being performed by the people from the villages only. Okay, so most of the the puppet shows they are being performed by the peoples of the villages from the different states. तो अलग अलग states में जो mostly जो puppet shows हैं या puppet dance हैं, ये जो village के लोग होते हैं यही perform करते हैं. So they just think that how talented they are. They can, that in spite of moving a human being, they can move a structure that looks like a woman. So that's look like a human. Okay, so this was the third, that is Kundehi. So now we have discussed the three puppetries in India. The first one is the Yampuri, second is the Putul Nach, and the third one is the Kundehi. Now moving to the fourth one, that is Bomalattam. The fourth one is Bomalattam. Bomalattam. B-O-M-A-L-A-T-T-A-M. M double M A L A double T A M, that is Bomalattam. This is the fourth one, that is Bomalattam. So Bomalattam, found in Tamil Nadu, this form of puppetry features the heaviest and the biggest puppets among the all traditional Indian puppet form. They often reach up to 1.5 meter height. They are moved with the help of both strings and rods. So this Bomalattam is founded in the Tamil Nadu. So this Bomalattam जिसकी हम बात करें puppetry की, that is being found in Tamil Nadu. तो ये कहाँ पे find out की गई थी या कहाँ के लोगों ने शुरू की थी? The people from the Tamil Nadu only. Okay, this form of puppetry features the heaviest and the biggest puppets among all traditional Indian puppet forms. तो ये जो बोमालत्तम, दिस इज द वन ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल, ये हमारे इंडिया की सबसे पुरानी और सबसे हैवी और सबसे बड़ी puppet show. So this Bomalattam is one of the biggest and the heaviest puppet shows. मतलब सब इंडिया में परफॉर्म होने वाले जितने भी puppet shows हैं उनमें ये सबसे बड़ी और सबसे हैवी puppets हैं. Okay, and along with that, because their height is near about 1.5 meter. So the height of this Bomalattam puppetry is near about 1.5 meter, which is more than the Kundei. जो आपने कुंदेई पीछे पढ़ी थी हमने, तो कुंदेई height was only 1 meter, near about 1 meter, but this is about near about 1.5 meter, 1.5 मीटर तक लंबी ये puppets होती हैं, and they are the heaviest one as well as the biggest one. And this Bomalattam puppetry dance is being performed with the help of rods and the strings both. तो rods की help से और strings की help से, दोनों की help से जो ये Bomalattam puppetry है, this is being performed by the puppeteers. Okay, so this is one of the oldest as well. So Bomalattam is one of the oldest puppet shows in the India. Okay, and it was founded in Tamil Nadu, so it was performed by the people, the puppeteers from the Tamil Nadu earlier. Okay, now this is from, और ये जितने भी puppet shows perform की जाते हैं उसमें perform कर मतलब सब में से सबसे बड़ी और सबसे heavy, क्योंकि जो puppets होती हैं, the puppets are near about 1.5 meter and they move with the strings and the rods both. तो वो rods और strings दोनों की help से move करती हैं, so इसी वजह से ये काफ़ी heavy भी होती हैं. Okay, so and they also need the super talented puppeteers to perform these kinds of puppet shows. Okay, with the help of this Bomalattam puppetry. Okay, and this mostly the stories shown by this Bomalattam, they are the mythological stories are being shown by this puppetry dance of Bomalattam. That was the origin of Tamil Nadu. Okay, next is the Ravan Chaya. That is the Ravana Chaya. This is the next puppetry that we are talking about. Okay, so that one is, fifth one is Ravan, Ravana That is the next puppetry, the fifth puppetry, that is one of the famous puppetry in India, that is Ravan Chaya. Ravan Chaya, in this form of shadow puppetry which originated in Odisha. The puppets are carved at single large blocks and have no joints. They are not colored and hence through opaque shadow on the screen. They are made from the deer skin and the dramatic poses. In addition to the human and the animal characters, many props such as trees, mountains and the chariots are also used in this form of puppetry. Okay, so जैसे कि मैंने आपको example दी थी, now okay, you can see. So the light is, जो light है यहाँ पे उस side से आ रही है, तो you can see the light from this side is following. So just like that, उधर से light आती है, जो shadow है पीछे, ये मान लीजिए this green board is like a white curtain. इसके पीछे जितने भी लोग होंगे, they can see that shadow. So whatever the movement I am making, that can be shown, that can be seen easily from this अगर यहाँ पे व्हाइट कर्टन होता और उसके ऑपोजिट जगह होती तो वहां पे वो इजिली देख सकते थे. सो इसी तरह से दिस रावण छाया, देखिए छाया, द नेम इज द छाया ओनली. सो छाया मीन्स शेडो. सो दिस रावण छाया puppetry is being is ओरिजिन ऑफ ओडिशा. तो ओडिशा में रावण छाया का भी ओडिशा में ही origin हुआ है. एंड कुंदेई was also the origin of Odisha only. and राय छाया that is the shadow puppetry, जो कि shadow puppetry है, that is also the origin of Odisha. और इसमें ऐसे ही जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था लाइट इज एक साइड से लाइट आती है दूसरी साइड पे वो परफॉर्म करते हैं विद द डिफरेंट. तो एंड फॉर परफॉर्मिंग दोज शेडोज व्हाट दे डू, दे जस्ट मेक द कटआउट्स. तो दे जस्ट मेक द कटआउट्स ऑफ द डिफरेंट थिंग्स जो कि उनको शो करनी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ शेडो. दे आर नॉट द कलर्ड वन, दे जस्ट नीड द कटआउट्स, क्योंकि उसमें कोई कलर नजर नहीं आता, कुछ नजर नहीं आता, तो उनको सिंपली जस्ट शो करना होता है थ्रू द शेडो. सो दे जस्ट मेक अ सिंपल कटआउट of the various figures they need to show in their puppet show. Okay, and these are made on the blocks. These cutouts are made on the blocks. ठीक है, and they have no joints as well, so they doesn't have any joints. Okay, and they have the image of that, the shadow of that puppet can be seen on a white curtain. Okay, now they are made from the deer skin and they have dramatic poses. So ये जो है mostly these the puppets जो कि बनते हैं deer की skin से. other than that they are in dramatic poses. तो अलग अलग poses में जो ये हैं characters हैं जो बनाए जाते हैं. and in addition to give some information or the मतलब suppose they want to show the scene of a desert area. So okay, जो उनको एक desert area का scene show करना है, so they just need to use various props. तो वो उसी curtain के पीछे जहाँ से light आ रही है उसके बीच में अलग अलग props भी use करेंगे. like they can use the make the hills बना सकते हैं with the help of various props. They can make the trees because they need to show the only shadow. So they can use various props to show the situation or show the background के पीछे background क्या है. So okay, so this is the Ravan Chaya. Okay, so this is also the origin of Odisha, just like Kundehi. Last one is the Tholu Bomalatta. Tholu. The sixth one is Tholu. THOLU. Tholu Bomalatta. BOMMALATA. Tholu Bomalatta. In this form of puppetry, which is originated in Andhra Pradesh, the puppets are large in size and have jointed waist, shoulders, elbows, and knees. They are colored on the both sides and the front and the back. The themes of these puppet shows are taken mostly from the episodes in the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. So next is the Tholu Bomalatta. Okay, so this Tholu Bomalatta is the origin of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and these puppets, these are also large in size and इनकी जो waist, कमर, shoulders, कंधा, elbows, these are the elbows, and knees are घुटने. तो यहाँ पे इनके जो joints होते हैं, they have made joints on all these parts. Okay, because they want to make the movements with the help of the strings. Okay, and other than that जो उनकी दोनों sides होती हैं, तो both the sides of these puppets are colored. Okay, and all that mostly the scenes that are being performed by this Tholu Bomalatta puppetry is from the Mahabharata and the Ramayana only. तो इनका जो theme होता है that is from the episodes they take only from the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. Okay, so Tholu Bomalatta is the origin of Andhra Pradesh. And this is also very largest. These puppetries are also very large. Okay, and they have various joints on the various parts like waist, shoulder, and elbows in the knees. And they are moved with the help of the strings. तो इनको strings की help से move किया जाता है. Okay, and these are colored from the both side. ये दोनों तरफ से colored होती हैं. Okay, so whatever the मतलब उनको जो शो करना है ताकि वो दोनों साइड से उसको इजीली शो कर सके. एंड इट लुक्स वेरी ग्रेसफुल. ओके, and the scenes they perform the scenes performed by this Tholu Bomalatta puppetry is mostly from the Mahabharata and the Ramayana only. Okay. So this was the last one, that is Tholu Bomalatta. The fourth one is the Bomalattam. Okay, it is the Bomalattam. Next is Ravan Chaya, and the third one is the Tholu Bomalatta. So the names are quite difficult to learn, but just try, you will easily be able to learn it. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.